My journey on MasterChef was amazing. It was always been my dream to be on MasterChef, perform those challenges, create amazing dishes, and as they say, dreams do come true.
My favorite comfort food is obviously Seddho Bhat. It's a very simple recipe. So it's basically some boiled potatoes, boiled rice, boiled dal, boiled egg, and if you are in Kolkata, then definitely with lots of jharna. Dessert queen's favorite dessert has to be the Bhapa Sandesh cheesecake. I always keep on experimenting new dishes, new desserts. So I made a mango bhapa sandesh and paired it with a cheesecake, and it turned out really amazing. And specifically when mangoes are in the season. Favorite Kolkata street food has to be the hakka chow, the road style tawa chow. I really like it because I stay near Madhyam Gram. So there's a small food truck kind of a concept, and I really love the place. And when I came back after 4 months from the MasterChef, this first place I've been directly to go to that space, and I like have that double egg hakka chow. My go-to dinner place in Kolkata is Shanghai. It's a Chinese restaurant and serves really amazing authentic Chinese food, and I really love their dumplings. So yeah, it has to be chop suey because I really love making chop suey. I love eating chop suey outside. Between cafe and restaurant, definitely a cafe because cafe obviously have a vibe, the music, the food. It's more experimental. So yeah, and it's also very pocket friendly. So I love to dance. I'm almost 11-12 years I've been trained in Odissi. Then I've learned salsa as well, some Ravindra for 3 years. So yeah, if given another chance, I really wanted to cook the Niramish mutton without onion and garlic. So that would have been my choice. I will say sugar because sugar looks so simple. It's such a basic ingredient, but you can do wonders with it. Be it making a sponge sugar, you can do it. Making a cotton candy, you can do that. Creating son papdi and making caramel sauce. My entire business run on sugar. The secret of a perfectly baked cake is always accuracy. I always go by grams in my recipe. I never measure by cup because whenever you measure your ingredient by cups, even the same cup of maida, you will see like first time it might weigh 147 grams, second time it might weigh 167 grams. So there's a huge difference. So if you want to bake a perfect cake, and for baking, always go by accuracy, measure by grams, and you will always have the same result every time. Between jhal, mishti and tok, my pick would be always jhal. I although bake a lot of dessert, but I don't have a sweet tooth, and I love the spicy food.